This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. Have you ever seen one of those sci-fi movies where a spaceship lands and lots of little robots come streaming out to explore? Well, that may not be as far-fetched as it used to be. NASA's Cooperative Autonomous Distributed Robotic Exploration, or Cadre project, is developing small robots programmed to work autonomously as a team to explore the lunar surface. The Cadre Rover Scouts are a team of shoebox-sized Mini-Rovers that were recently put to the test at the NASA Glenn Research Center's SLOPE, or Simulated Lunar Operations Lab, which is designed to mimic lunar and planetary surface operations. The Mini-Rovers traversed simulated lunar soil called regolith to better understand the types of challenges that lunar rovers of this size will face on the moon's surface. The results of the tests will be used to characterize small rover performance and improve the rover's mobility design. The Cadre robots are programmed to work as an autonomous team to explore the lunar surface, collect data, and map different areas of the moon in 3D. Each mini-rover is free to move independently, and together they can perform distributed measurements that would be nearly impossible for a single rover to achieve. The core autonomy technology developed for Cadre could also be used on other planetary bodies such as Mars and beyond. Here is SLOPE's lead roboticist, Alex Schuppelman, to explain some of the testing done with the Mini-Rovers.
Cadre rovers are the size of a shoebox. They have 4 wheels, just like your cars here on Earth. And they also have a stereo camera in the front, which allows them to take 3D images of different types of terrain. The main thing that we were trying to study here at SLOPE is, given the current wheel design, what terrain can it move in? So for example, at what slope is the rover able to move forward if it were to climb up a hill? But then also, if a rover were to encounter rocks or any type of other obstacles, what obstacle height could they safely clear and then continue on their mission? So the operating concept behind Cadre is that instead of sending single rovers, you have multiple rovers working together as a team. They can make decisions by themselves, among themselves, and then spread out to best collect information and navigate.
The Cadre team is focused on using this autonomy technology for small robots, but the platform could also be expanded to include larger robots, base stations, and other surface systems, according to the project manager Matthew Frost at Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Frost says that there are a number of areas where this can be extremely impactful. By increasing autonomy of multi-agent systems, we will reduce the number of times when the rovers have to phone home to get ground control instructions. One particular area of interest for using Cadre robots is exploration near the moon's lava tubes. In these areas, the top surface layer solidifies, but beneath, lava still flows, creating caves. With multiple robots working together, sending one small robot into a lava tube is possible, despite the uncertainty of it being able to return to the surface. As long as there is a good signal range between multiple robots and rovers, then data can be transmitted back to the ones on the surface to communicate some never-before-seen data. As Matthew Frost states, the overall goal is to enable a new way of exploring space for years to come. Wow, exploring the moon with dozens of little shoebox-sized robots so that they can explore so much more area and be autonomous even is really amazing to me. Thank you for joining me. Remember each Tuesday to join David Denault for America's Return to Space, and join me every Friday for America in Space. From the Florida Space Coast, I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor for About Space Today.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends, and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.